India, a country on the move, riding on the wheels of change as it accelerates towards becoming a global superpower. At the heart of this dynamic progression is ASK Automotive, that is driving safety through innovation. Founded in 1988 by Mr. Kuldeep Singh Rathi, ASK Automotive Limited was a trailblazer in critical safety systems and complex precision solutions for the two-wheeler segment. Backed by strong in-house R&D, a design center and engineering team, today the company is one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of advanced braking systems. It also has a significant presence in aluminium lightweight precision solutions and safety control cables. ASK has forged 5 technical collaborations with leading global players from Japan, Canada, and Taiwan. The company has recently entered into a strategic partnership with Liho Machine Works Taiwan and Yanagawa, Japan for manufacturing of high-pressure die-cast two-wheeler alloy wheels. We have a strategic joint venture with Fras-le, a premier Brazilian manufacturer that is a global leader in brake linings and pads for commercial vehicles. We also partner with the Aizen Group to market and sell passenger vehicle components in the independent aftermarket. Most recently, we inked our third joint venture with TD Holdings Germany, the technical license holding company of Gemo, to manufacture sunroof control cables and helix cables for passenger vehicles. In the last decade, India has grown to become the world's biggest two-wheeler market, and ASK Automotive Limited has become the largest manufacturer of brake shoes and advanced braking systems for these two-wheelers. With a market share of approximately 50%, we have a portfolio of 52 proprietary formulations. Our vast network of dealers guarantees regular component supplies across the country, making ASK a driving force in the two-wheeler independent aftermarket. Because of our deep commitment to safety, quality, and timely delivery, we have a long-standing relationship with the top two-wheeler ICE and EV OEM customers. This has resulted in multiple awards and recognition for excellence, underscoring the company's credibility and reliability. We operate 18 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities across 6 states of India. These are all strategically located in close proximity to our OEM customers. To augment our production, a world-class mega manufacturing facility has been commissioned in Karoli, Rajasthan. This has next-generation technologies that will provide enhanced quality, efficiency, and safety. To cater to the demands of OEM customers in southern India, ASK has most recently commissioned its third manufacturing facility in Bengaluru, Karnataka. In line with our commitment towards sustainable growth and renewable energy, ASK has established a 9.9 megawatt captive solar power plant in Sirsa, Haryana. Further strengthening this commitment, the company has also developed an additional 11.55 megawatt captive solar power plant in Bikaner, Rajasthan. At ASK, innovation knows no boundaries. Backed by R&D, cutting-edge technology, and 3 decades of experience in developing precision-engineered customized products, we strive to meet the ever-evolving needs of our customers. Riding on the rapid growth in the electric vehicle segment, we have already established ourselves as a leading supplier to EV players within the country. We have also developed capabilities for product migration from steel and plastics to aluminium, for lightweighting and thermal management for EV OEMs. A pipeline of new innovative products is under development, along with EV-agnostic product offerings to serve all major two-wheeler EV OEMs in India. Our revenue has grown at a CAGR of 20% over the last 4 years, and our ROACE is 26.9% in FY26. We've expanded our export operations to 14 countries worldwide with a strategic emphasis on the USA. Exports remain a key growth area for us, with several new products currently in the pipeline. Rooted in strong business fundamentals and an ambitious vision, ASK Automotive has earned the trust of all its stakeholders and is poised to blaze a new trail as we drive into a new tomorrow.